Okay, today, if you've seen the first video, we had the Canik at the range. Now I'm going to kind of do a little better breakdown of it here. So this particular model comes in a nice big storage case because this one has all the options. So let me turn it around so we can see what we're doing. So in this one we have extra top plates for different red dots. This one here is the actual sight because I have a red dot on it. We have extra back straps, brush, cleaner rod. These are the books. And then when we open it up, we have our lock. We have our loader for our mags. It comes with two 18-round mags. But these have the extensions on them, which make them 20 round. So we have two 20-round mags. It comes with a little box. So let's see if I can get that open without spilling it all over everything. There we go. Okay, so inside the little bag, we have two extra fiber optic sights. We have we have two Allen wrenches. We have a charging handle, which I'll show you that here in a little bit, what we can do with it. And then we have different size thicknesses, I should say, different thicknesses of mag releases. Alright, so we're going to put them over there for right now. It does come with a outer waistband holster, which I guess that's kind of nice. It'll serve a purpose. It's not what I would consider really good, but it does do it. Alright, so here's the gun. Let's open it up and show you that there is nothing inside, so the gun is not loaded. Alright, so we've put the plate on and we have a SIG Romeo red dot sight on it, and this little charging handle screws in to either side. You can make it left or right if you're left-handed to give you that extra charging ability. Okay. It does come with a fiber optic red sight, which you did see where I had extras. There's the mag release. I have the extra thick one on it. It's fairly nice stippling front and back. The gun does have a nice feel to it. It has the now this is the TP9SFX model. In order to take it down, well, before I take it down, let's put a mag in it, an empty mag, and I'm going to throw it over here on the scales, and we're going to see how much it weighs. Okay, so we are at 1 pound and 13 ounces. So 1 pound, 13 ounces. So it's going to help take some of the shock out of it, or I should say recoil. All right. To break it down, we basically just have the same as what a Glock would be, only it's way back here, and then we just pull the trigger and slide it off, and then our spring stays on both sides. The barrel does come out so that we have a 5 and, well, if we go to the inside, we have a 5-inch barrel. It's black nitrate. We do have ports in the bottom, and on the bottom of this we do have our railing system if you want to add a light for it. It's fairly easy to put back together and to take apart, which is a nice feature, because some of the guns are, I mean, just are really a bear to take down. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's an indent back here. It's black. When I charge it, it does turn red. Now that doesn't say that it has a round in it. That just means that it is charged and it's cocked. So there really is no way of telling that you have a round in it. They do have a really light trigger pull. It's got a little take up back here, and then once you get to it, then it kind of gets a little harder. So it's really, there's nothing, and then there's like a little squeeze of resistance, and then off it goes. With the mag port, it is extra big, so it lets you get a mag in a lot easier because of the size. You can reverse the mag release from one side to the other. And like I said, that is a helpful thing there. I don't know if we can see. If you can see the actual space down in between that. So to get started with, I mean, you've got a lot of play right there. Okay. And then the red dot comes on by movement to let you know. The gun itself overall is, let's go this way, 8 1/4 inches long, with the mag and the Romeo sight on top. We're at 6 3/4 inches tall. So it all fits nice and neatly in this nice little package deal. So it's got a really nice trigger on it. It's got good balance, good weight. It's a nice bottom entry level, I guess race gun is what they would call them. It has a lot of extra features that you're not going to find on your typical gun. And if you looked at the video, the first video, you're going to see that yeah, I had to adjust the red dot in. For me, I was shooting at 11 yards, which is 33 feet. So it needs to be fine-tuned a little better, because if you could see in there, I was shooting a little low and to the left, and we need to bring it up a little. But for taking it straight out of the box and doing some shooting, it wasn't bad. So I probably need to take a couple boxes of shells and really play with it. Ammo's a little hard to come by right now, so yeah, we're just going to play with it just the way it is, and I'm going to try to get back to the range again. We'll take, maybe if I can find some, I'll get a couple boxes of ammo. We'll really fine-tune that red dot. I'm not sure what distance we should be shooting at, so if you all have an idea of what distance I should be adjusting this red dot in, please let me know. Okay, anyway, the Canik TP9SFX with the SIG Romeo red dot sight. Alright, thank you.